Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both product and skin. Warm the jar in a 40-45 degrees water bath until it's creamy, not runny, because consistency controls adhesion. While it warms, cleanse the area thoroughly to remove oils. This improves wax grip and reduces irritation. Trim hair to roughly 3-6 mm so wax grabs hair instead of skin. Once the jar feels tacky on a wooden spatula, you're ready for the first application. Make sure to test a patch to confirm temperature and reaction. You apply a thin, even layer of Rica white chocolate wax in the direction of hair growth with a flat spatula. Do this confidently so the layer is uniform. Once applied, place a cloth strip over the wax and press firmly, smoothing twice to expel air and ensure full contact. This prevents breakage. Hold the skin taut with your free hand to reduce pain, then remove the strip quickly and low, pulling against hair growth and nearly parallel to the skin to minimize trauma. You finish by removing wax residue with the recommended post-wax oil. Rub gently and follow with an aloe or calming lotion to reduce redness because cooling aids recovery. If wax sets or leaves residue, reheat the strip briefly and wipe again rather than scrubbing. This dissolves liposoluble wax more effectively. If you notice frequent breakage or ingrown hairs, pause waxing, exfoliate gently after 48 hours, and reassess technique or seek a professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.